guys, ito na po yung ano, yung tapioca. So, just mix it good. Hello guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. Ako po si Amay, bisaya. Today, I'm going to make Buko Pandan, Gulaman, or this sweet. So, samahan niyo pa ako guys. One sugar, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon. Then I will pour this one Pandan Gulaman. And there. Then I already have 5 cups of water here. I have to make hot first. You have to mix it well. And then I have to pour this gradually. There we go, hot water. Now it's already kind of boiled, it's hot, so I have to pour this one slowly and mix. Okay, so already boiled, so I have to turn off the fire and I have to put in the pan. Okay, so I have to spice this one. Okay guys, ito po yung Buko Pandan at ito po yung ingredient na ilalagay ko po. Eden cheese, Nestle cream, Nestle condensed, and this is the tapioca and coconut. It's ready. I'll put this one. And then I'll put this one also, cheese, I already sliced. And I'll put this one, coconut ready, the young coconut. And I have to put this cream. And condensed milk. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, hope you like it. It's very yummy.